If you're a small business owner, you have far less time and resources as other larger or medium-sized businesses. So that means you're probably doing your content marketing on your own. And you might be thinking, I can hold off on this. This is not an immediate thing that I need to be worrying about. But I'm here to tell you that content marketing can really help your small business in so many ways. So today, I'm going to talk to you about how content marketing can really help your business if you are a small business owner. Let's go. Hey guys, I'm Gwendolyn Gay. I'm the content creator's best friend. I'm here to simplify content for you so that you can get back to what's most important in your business and brand. So today we're talking all about content marketing and how it can really help your small business. If you're a small business owner or a solopreneur, an entrepreneur, whatever you are doing, if you are side hustling and you're not sure if content marketing is worth it, today I'm going to go over the things that can really maybe sway you towards content marketing. If you're new to the channel, this is Simplified Content, and on this channel, I talk all about how to make content easier for you and your business, especially if you're a solopreneur or a business owner that is kind of doing everything on their own. You're doing everything by your bootstraps. You're not quite at the point where you can hire more people. This channel is all about how I can really help you understand how to have systems and processes in place to make your content marketing that much easier. So if that sounds like something you're interested in, go ahead and subscribe to the channel and hit that bell so that you can see when I have something new for you. Before we get started, let me know in the comments below, are you putting content marketing on the shelf until you have more time or resources? I've been there, and if that's you, no shame. Go ahead and just let me know in the comments below. I'd love to send you some encouragement and some hearts your way. Okay guys, I have 6 things for small business owners to keep in mind when it comes to content marketing. So if you haven't started content marketing yet, or you've been doing content marketing in a very small way or inconsistently, today I'm really talking about why it can really help your business, especially as a small business owner. Number 1, and probably the most obvious thing, is content marketing is free. So no matter where you are with your business, even if you're just starting out, you can be doing content marketing because it's going to cost you $0. Yes, you can put a lot of money into content marketing because you can hire people. You can eventually hire writers and graphic designers and editors and big sets and all those things. But right now, anyone can do it. That's the amazing thing about content marketing, is it's completely free and you can get started right away. Number 2, content marketing can add excitement to your launches if you're planning correctly. So if you are launching any type of product or service or something you just want to tell people about, maybe it's a freebie that you want to get more people on your list, whatever the case may be, all your content can be leading towards that. But you got to plan correctly, especially for those product launches. If you're a coach or you're selling courses or you're selling a physical product, being able to add excitement leading up to that launch, leading up to that open cart is so huge. So content marketing can really support any type of plans you have for your business. Again, no matter how big your audience is right now, that is something that you can be doing right now to ensure success with your launch. Number 3, and this is really exciting if this is happening to you, so let me know if this is happening to you because I want to celebrate with you. But eventually, as your content is getting out there and it's really valuable and it's getting noticed, you will start getting noticed by big publications and influencers and being asked to join people on podcasts or maybe be a guest writer or maybe be on television shows, right? So this is a huge thing. Again, completely free. If you are putting the value out there and you're really doing it correctly and you're planning ahead, you will get noticed. And that is one of the most exciting things that can happen to you as a content creator when your content starts getting shared by big publications or you start getting noticed. And something you should keep in mind is a lot of people who are on those big networks today. I'm going to use the example of Joanna Gaines from Fixer Upper. She was discovered because of a blog. She had her own blog and she was just posting her own stuff on there, and she got discovered and scouted by HGTV. So that stuff happens all the time. And you're saying, well, I'm a business owner, I'm a coach, or I'm a service provider, or I sell a planner, I created. Whatever you're doing, all of these things can still happen for you. You don't have to be an interior designer posting pretty pictures on Instagram. It can be a blog, it can be a podcast, it can be YouTube videos or Facebook groups, Facebook pages, those types of things. You can be posting anywhere and still get noticed as long as your content is really planned ahead, it's really strategic, and you have a message that is true and organic and authentic to you throughout. Number 4, content marketing builds relationships. So what does that mean for you as a business owner? Repeat customers. People who are consuming your content and really loving your content will come back to buy whatever you have time after time after time. So if you are doing launches several times a year, or if you are providing new services throughout your year and you're excited to tell people about the new things that you have for them, if you have people who are watching your free content and they're consuming it, they're engaging with it, I'm telling you, those are forever fans and they will be repeat customers for you. So building that relationship is really important and something that is very difficult to do with something like ads or influencer marketing or affiliate marketing. Why? Because someone else is in control of that. So with content marketing, you are in control of it. You're in control of the message. You're in control of the communication back and forth. And you're really building these real relationships with buyers that will be with you for years and years to come. Number 5, brand awareness. Guys, content marketing is one of the best ways to build brand awareness. Why? Because it's really hard to tell people all the ways that you can help them and how they can work with you with just an ad or with just a little posting here and there. When you put thought into your cornerstone projects like a video series or a blog post or a podcast series or season on your podcast, when you're putting real thought into that, every single episode, every single post, everything that you are putting out there is really telling people as they're reading, as they're viewing, as they're listening, as they're consuming that content, that you can help them. You're helping them self-identify themselves as the person that needs to work with you. Like if you're doing this correctly, they're reading this and they're going, wow, this girl really gets me. That's exactly what I need. That's exactly what I'm struggling with. And with an ad, it's so different, right? You're immediately going straight to the sale or straight to the lead generating piece of content or something like that. With organic content, we're just putting out there value, and people are searching, I have this problem. Your blog post comes up and they're going, oh, this person's talking to me. Or your YouTube video. Maybe you found this video that very same way. And if I'm talking to you and it's resonating with you, you're probably going to check out some of the other things that I have for you. And I have so many things out there, but you found me in a search and you found me in a way that was organic, and I didn't pay for this connection that we have now. And I'm so thankful that you're here and that we have this connection. But it is something that I believe wholeheartedly, as you can see, I'm so excited about content marketing because I truly believe in content marketing because it feels so organic and authentic and real, whereas paid ads feel like cheap and there's no relationship there. And so if I get a lead from an ad, I haven't built that relationship with someone and they may not stick around forever. So I like being able to build the relationship first and then have a fan and a customer forever. Number 6, and the last thing I want to share with you is when you have free content like videos, podcasts, or blog posts, something of the sort, and those are my favorite when it comes to being able to do this particular step, it is being able to share on other platforms. So for instance, if you're in a Facebook group for whatever your ideal audience and they ask a question and you have already answered it in a YouTube video, you can easily say, oh my goodness, I have the perfect video for you. Again, it's free content. They can consume it on their own time. And it's a better way to build a relationship with you because they might start asking questions or at least get a good feel of what your personality is, right? And that can come through in a podcast, in a blog, or a video. Obviously, video's best. I'm biased though. I'm biased, but I digress. My point is that if you are networking in Facebook groups or you're really just networking anywhere, you'll be able to point back to specific answers to questions that people are asking in a very organic way. You're adding value to their lives of something that maybe you created 3 years ago. Who knows? Like, my content goes back a long time, but there are sometimes people who are asking me, well, how do I make a shelf on YouTube? And they're just putting it out in the world in a Facebook group. And I'm like, oh, hey, I have a great video for you. And I just link it up. And now we've made a connection. Now they know about me. There's brand awareness. And I'm able to start a conversation with someone that I might not have been able to start if I had just answered it with a comment. Okay, guys, I just want to send love to all you solopreneurs, entrepreneurs, business owners who are out there doing it yourself. So I hope this video was helpful in telling you the benefits of content marketing. So if you've been on the fence because you're doing everything yourself, I'm so proud of you. I'm so proud of you. You're doing a great job. And adding content marketing doesn't have to be as hard as a lot of us make it. It's actually pretty simple. So if you need a little help and direction on that, I actually have a mini course for you down below on my secrets to content marketing and how to do it efficiently, especially when you are a small business owner. And don't forget to join my free Facebook group. First of all, it's free and you get to hang out with me and ask all the questions. So I hope you grab the link to that below. Thanks for coming, and I will see you guys next time.